Hi, welcome to our VB developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with data science tutorial. Let's get started. In this tutorial we will discuss about numpy fundamentals, like array creation and array creation routine. Let's start it. Alright, first we will import the numpy library. First we will create one-dimensional array. As you can see here, this is a one-dimensional array. Now we will create two-dimensional array. One thing note here, in numpy, dimensions are called axes. This means that if you have a 2D array that looks like this, as you can see here, this is the two-dimensional array. Now we will create 3D tensor. See here, for 3D or higher dimensional arrays, the term tensor is also commonly used. As you can see here, this is a three-dimensional array. Now we will access the elements from array. We can access the elements in the array using square brackets. When you're accessing elements, remember that indexing in numpy starts at 0. That means that if you want to access the first element in your array, you'll be accessing element 0. As you can see here, we got first element from 2D array. Now see here, this 0 means, this first rows. This 1 means this element. And this 0 means this one. So we got 3. As you can see here, we got 3. Now we will see one more example. We will access this elements. Let's execute it. As you can see here, we got 12. Now we will know about array creation routine. NumPy provides various array creation routines that allow you to create arrays with different shapes and initial values. Here, we will explain some of the commonly used array creation routines with examples. Now we will discuss about NumPy arrange. NumPy arrange creates arrays with regularly incrementing values. For integer arguments, the function is roughly equivalent to the Python built-in range, but returns an n-dimensional array rather than a range instance. Now we will see some examples. As you can see here, we got 0 to 9. Now we will see some more example. See here, this is the start value, and this is the stop value, and here I didn't use any step value. This is the data type. Let's execute it. Now we will see another example. As you can see here, we used 0.1 as step. Note one thing here, best practice for NumPy arrange is to use integer start, end, and step values. There are some subtleties regarding type. In the second example, the data type is defined. In the third example, the array is data type equals float to accommodate the step size of 0.1. Due to round off error, the stop value is sometimes included. Now we will know about NumPy zeros. It will create an array filled with 0 values with the specified shape. The default data type is float 64. You can see the output here. Now as you can see here, the shape has been changed. Now see here, we changed the data type into integer. Now we will see some more example. As you can see here we got 2 rows and 1 column. And here we used custom data type. It will create an array filled with 1 values. It is identical to zeros in all other respects as such. Now we will know about random. NumPy provides functions to create arrays with random values. Here we import default range. Now we will create a 1D array with random values between 0 and 1. The random method of the result of default range will create an array filled with random values between 0 and 1. Now we will discuss about I. Now we will discuss about diagonal. Now creating a 1D array with specified diagonal values. As you can see here the diagonal values. Now you can see here, we got the diagonal value. Now you can see here, we got 2 and 6 as diagonal value. Now we will know about numpy full. It will create an array with a specified shape and fill it with a constant value. Now we will discuss about vendor. Defines a Vandermonde matrix as a 2D numpy array. Each column of the Vandermonde matrix is a decreasing power of the input 1D array or list or tuple, X, where the highest polynomial order is n1. This array creation routine is helpful in generating linear least squares models. So guys, these are just a few examples of the array creation routines provided by NumPy. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose the appropriate method to create arrays with different shapes and initial values. So thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel. And don't forget to like the video. Thank you.